It's coffee time for me. Ayan. Coffee ako with milk at saka collagen. So, lagi akong may collagen every day. So, the good thing about this collagen is hydrolyze siya. Aside from hydrolyze, it has a transfer factor wherein ito lang ang may transfer factor na collagen sa buong mundo. So, ayan, ang daming benefits niya. Kaya maganda talaga siya. And you can put this sa coffee, soup, juice kasi plain lang po siya. Ayan. And I'm so proud of this because I have this. Ito ang tinapay namin na Ivatan. O, 'di ba? May harvest sa farm. Ayan. Nagbaba ang aking kuya. Thank you so much, Kuya Andrew, sa sipag mong magtanim. And kami na Ivatan, ito yung nakasanayan namin, pinakatinapay namin in the morning. So, we always have this, either finray, or inihaw, or nilaga namin yan. So, sometimes, gabi pa lang, maglaga na kami para in the morning, meron kaming i-pair sa aming coffee. Yan ang aming nakasanayan sa farm. So, for now, happy Sunday and kain na tayo. Ayan. Sarap-sarap ng aking breakfast. O, diba? Actually, brunch na ito. Ito na yung breakfast and lunch ko. Because it's already 10 a.m. This would be my first meal. So, kain na po tayo. Ayan.